Welcome to 3724 Baywater Drive. This neat 3-bedroom, 1-bath, brick ranch-style home with a 1-car carport, fenced backyard, and hardwood floors inside is located in the established Pine Lake neighborhood in southeast Columbia, convenient to I-77, Fort Jackson, the VA hospital, and USC Medical School. So we're out front now. You can see there's a 1-car wide driveway that leads up to the carport. There's also a storage room out the carport as well. We'll go ahead and take a look in there now while we're out here. But it has the washer and dryer connections for the property and some additional storage space as well. So you can see those are kind of along the wall there, full size. And then we'll walk back around to the front. You also access the backyard via the carport here. The carport back there as well. But the front entrance is up a couple of steps. And you have hardwood flooring throughout most of the inside, with the exception of the the bathroom and the kitchen. Living room is off the entry. You have a ceiling fan in here. Some windows looking out towards the front of the house. Flows right through into the kitchen. You have a huge open floor plan kitchen, eat-in dining area here in the corner. You can fit a nice sized table in here, windows looking over the backyard, and an electric stove and also a refrigerator included. You can access the backyard via this side door. It also gets you out to the carport, how you enter from that side as well. And then you do have a fenced backyard here, which is a nice size. You can see there, and it kind of backs up to an area that doesn't have any other houses back there right now, so a bit private. Then the bedrooms and bath are off this hall. Bathroom is here on our left. Only bathroom in the house. It is a full bathroom. Has tile flooring, single vanity, medicine cabinet, and tiled shower and tub. Right next door, you have a linen closet. If I can get you some more light there. With some shelving. The largest of the 3 bedrooms is here at the back left, faces the backyard. It also does have a ceiling fan, 2 windows looking out towards the back and one towards the side there. And then you have a nice sized closet. At the end of the hall, there's a coat closet. Then you have 2 additional bedrooms, both front facing. Closet there, and then an additional one here, as you can see. And closet is roughly the same size. And there also is an attic pull down here in the hallway with some storage up there as well. So that completes our tour of this home. Again, the address here is 3724 Baywater Drive in southeast Columbia. You can find out more information about this home by visiting our website at turnerproperties.com. Or you can give us a call at 803-407-8522.